Johannes and Dominique, welcome to New Zealand and to Queenstown. This area is one of the jewels in our amazing country that we call home, and we happily share its splendour with you. The mountains that surround us, protecting us with their grandeur, Lake Wakatipu sparkling and beckoning us to stand on its shores and inhale the wonderful air and the sheer beauty of its presence. We are blessed by this beauty and so fortunate to be able to come here to celebrate your love for each other. On this amazing day, February the 14th, 2018, we are honoured to be part of this wedding ceremony in which Johannes and Dominique wish to commit themselves to each other forevermore.
Where wise men never go, but wise men never fall in love. So how are they to know when we met? I felt my life begin, so open of your heart and let
I, Johannes, take you, Dominique, to be my wife.
I, Johannes, take you, Dominique, to be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better or for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer and for poorer.
For richer and for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and cherish.
As long as we both shall live.
As long as we both shall live.
Though I see the danger there, if there's a chance for me, then I don't care. Fools rush in where wise men never go, but wise men never fall in love. So how are they to know when we met? I felt my life begin, so open of your heart and let this fool rush in. When we met, I felt my life begin, so open up your heart and let this fool